Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a 12V battery in a Toyota Prius. This guide makes the process simple and straightforward. You'll learn where the battery is located and what tools you'll need to get started. We'll cover important safety precautions to ensure a smooth replacement. By the end, you'll have the confidence to tackle this task yourself, saving time and money. Let's dive in. Safety is paramount when working with car batteries. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves, to prevent injury. Begin by locating the negative terminal, usually marked with a minus sign, and disconnect it first. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal. This order minimizes the risk of accidental short circuits, keeping you safe throughout the process. With the terminals disconnected, it's time to remove the old battery. You'll find a hold-down bracket that secures the battery. Carefully unfasten this. Once the bracket is loose, gently lift the battery out of its tray. These batteries can be heavy, so lift with your legs, not your back. Pay attention to how the old battery was oriented, noting the positive and negative terminal positions. Now, carefully place your new 12V battery into the compartment, ensuring it matches the orientation of the old one. Secure the hold-down bracket firmly to prevent movement. Next, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Your Prius should now be ready to start. For more great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.